Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Are you okay? I hope so. In this video, we are going to study Unit 5 in Town Lessons 1 and 2. Are you ready? So, let's start. Welcome back. Conversation time. Lesson 1. Main vocabulary. Town. 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 Today. 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 Maybe. Maybe. Fine. Fine. Serious. Serious. Seat. Seat. Right. Right. Cloudy. Cloudy. Sister. Sister. Better. Better. Cold. Cold. Degree. Degree. Family. Family. Flu. Flu. Tonight. 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 Weather. Weather. Conjugation of verbs. تصريفات الأفعال. Rain. Rain. Rained. Rained. Start. Start. Started. Started. Regular verbs. الأفعال الغير منتظمة. Think. Thought. Think. Thought. Have, has. Had. Have, has. Had. May. Might. May. Might. Hair. Heard. Hair. Heard. Expressions and phrases. Have a seat. Have a seat. Do better. Do better. Would better. Had better. Had better. Had better. Plus infinitive. من الأفضل أن. Have the flu. Have the flu. Take care. Take care. احترس أو كن حذر. Characters of the conversation. Characters of the conversation. Kamal, Mr. Sami. Story of the conversation. Kamal and Mr. Sami are in the park. في الحديقة العامة. They are talking to each other. بيتحدثوا سويا. The weather is cold and it's 2 degrees. ودرجة الحرارة 23 درجة مئوية. It's going to rain. سوف تمطر. So Mr. Sami wants to go home. يريد أن يذهب إلى المنزل. Listen and repeat. اسمع وردد. Number 1. Hi, Mr. Sami. Hi, Mr. Sami. Hi, Mr. Sami. أهلا أستاذ سامي. Hello, Kamal. Have a seat. Hello, Kamal. Have a seat. Hello, Kamal. Have a seat. Number 3. Thanks. Oh, it's cold today. Thanks. Oh, it's cold today. شكرا. الجو بارد اليوم. That's right. It's 23 degrees. That's right. It's 23 degrees. درجة الحرارة 23. 5. Wow. Do you think it's going to rain? Do you think it's going to rain? Do you think it's going to rain? Wow. Do you think it's going to rain? هل تعتقد أنها سوف تمطر؟ Maybe it's getting cloudy. Maybe it's getting cloudy. ربما it's getting cloudy يعني ملبدة بالغيوم. Then so how is your family كمال. So how is your family كمال. They are fine but my sister has a flu. They are fine but my sister has the flu. إنهم بخير لكن أختي مصابة بالإنفلونزا. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. آسف لسماع ذلك. It's not serious. It's not serious. الأمر ليس خطير يعني. She is doing better today. She is doing better today. She is doing better today. إنها تتحسن اليوم. 11. Good. Good. Look, it's starting to rain. Look, it's starting to rain. Look, it's starting to rain. انظر بدأت تمطر. Better go home. Take care كمال. I better go home. Take care كمال. من الأفضل أن أذهب للمنزل. احترس يا كمال. Bye Mr. Sammy. Bye Mr. Sammy. Bye Mr. Sammy. Language functions. Greeting. التحية. Hi Mr. Sammy. Hi Mr. Sammy. Hello كمال. Hi Mr. Sammy. Hello كمال. Number 2. Telling about the weather. الإخبار عن حالة الطقس. It's وحالة الجو. Oh, it's cold today. Oh, it's cold today. Oh, it's cold today. That's right. It's 23 degrees. It's 23 degrees. درجة الحرارة 23. Number 3. Asking about someone's opinion. السؤال عن رأي شخص. Do you think? Do you think? هل تعتقد؟ ونكتب جملة بعد كده. Do you think it's going to rain? Do you think it's going to rain? هل تعتقد أنها سوف تمطر؟ Maybe. Maybe. It's getting cloudy. It's getting cloudy. إنها ملبدة بالسحب. Number 4. Asking about someone's family. السؤال عن عائلة شخص. How is your family? How is your family? كيف حال عائلتكم? They are fine. They are fine. Family تعامل معاملة المفرد لما اتكلم عنها ككل العيلة. بقول أخبار العيلة إيه. لما اتكلم عنها كأفراد بقول إيه. They are fine. كأفراد. Number 5. Expressing sympathy and sadness for hearing bad news. Expressing sympathy and sadness for hearing bad news. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. لما حد يقول لك خبر سيء، حد عيان، حد عمل حادثة كده، نقول ايه؟ I'm sorry to hear that. Warning. تحذير. Take care كمال. Take care كمال يعني احترس يا كمال. عندك بعد كده check point وادي الإجابات شوفها. Conversation time exercise. Number 1. Listen and circle. اسمع وضع دائرة. نسمع بقى. Number 1. How's your sister? How's your sister? She has the flu. She has the flu. Number 2. How is the weather? How is the weather today? It's 23 degree. It's 23 degree. Number 3. Do you think it's going to rain? Do you think it's going to rain? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Number 4. Is it cold today? Is it cold today? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Listen and complete. هنسمع المحادثة ونكمل. كمال. Hi, Mr. Sammy. Mr. Sammy. Hello, Kamal. Have a seat. Kamal. Thanks. Is it cold today? Mr. Sammy. Yes, it is. How is your family? Kamal. They are fine. But my sister has a flu. Mr. Sammy. I'm sorry to hear that. الإجابات: seat, cold, family, flu. Number 3. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. Today is cold. It's 20 degrees. Number 2. Hello, Sammy. Make a seat, drive a seat, do a seat, have a seat. Have a seat. Number 3. It's making, getting, going, doing, cloudy. It's getting cloudy. Number 4. My sister is ill. She having, had, has, have the flu. She have. Number 5. The sky is cloudy. It's going to rain, goes to rain, went to rain, go to rain, going, سوف. Number 6. I'm late. I had better go home. بعدها مصدر الفعل. Number 7. Look, it is starting to rain. Number 8. My brother has a flu, but it's not serious. ولكن ليس خطير. Number 4. Circle the odd word and replace it with a correct one. Number 1. Sister, brother, seat, father. Seat, mother. سامي, كمال, فاطمة, rain, أي اسم: علي، إبراهيم، أي حد. Number 3. Serious, won't, fine, happy. دي كلها صفات نشيل won't نكتب sad. sorry أي حاجة. Number 4. Town, tonight, today, tomorrow. Town. 5. Cloudy, sunny, rainy, family. Family. Stormy مثلا عاصف. Number 5. Read the passage and answer the questions. I'm Hoda. I'm 13 years old. I have 3 brothers. I live with my family in Alexandria. We went to Aswan last winter. Aswan was hotter than Alexandria. يعني درجة الحرارة فيها أعلى من اسكندرية. It was 38 degrees. 38 درجة. My father was born in Aswan. والدي ولد في أسوان. It's really a very nice place. مكان لطيف جدا. Many people go there in winter. ناس كتير بتذهب هناك في الشتاء. I wish I would come next holiday with my friends. مع أصدقائي. Number 8. Choose the correct answer. اختار الإجابة الصحيحة. هدى lives in Alexandria. Alexandria was colder than. فوق قال لك أسوان hotter than Alexandria. هنا العكس، نقول إيه؟ أكثر برودة يعني. Number B. Answer the following question. How many brothers does هدى have? هدى عندها كم أخ؟ ترجع للقطعة تاني مكتوب إيه؟ 3 brothers. She has 3 brothers. Why do people go to أسوان in winter? ليه الناس بتروح أسوان في الشتاء؟ ليه؟ Because it's really very nice and the weather is hot. والطقس يكون ساخن in winter في الشتاء. Number 6. Rearrange the following words to make correct sentences. Mother flew, the, has, My mother has the flu. Number 2 family. Your is how كمال. How is your family كمال. Punctuate the following sentences. She is doing better today. She's apostrophe full stop. Look, comma, it's going to rain. It's going to rain. هتمطر. هو جايب حاجة واحدة بس هنا ممكن يكون فول ستوب، وهنا لو حرف كابيتال ما بداش بيها، يعني حاجة منهم مش هتبقى موجودة، إنما هو بس مديني حاجة واحدة بس. look بعدها كوما. listen to word time activities. أنشطة يومية. feed the birds. feed the birds. feed the birds يطعم الطيور. read a newspaper. read a newspaper. read a newspaper يقرأ جريدة. take medicine. take medicine. take medicine. meet a friend. meet a friend. meet a friend. meet a friend يلتقي أو يقابل صديق. visit a museum. visit a museum. visit a museum. take the underground. take the underground. take the underground تستقل أو تركب مترو الأنفاق. give a speech. give a speech يلقي خطبة. give a speech. take a math test. take a math test. take a math test. bake bread. bake bread. bake bread. get a haircut. get a haircut. get a haircut. vocabulary. later. later. conjugation of verbs تصريفات الأفعال. visit. visit. visited. visited. bake. bake. baked. baked. irregular verbs الأفعال غير منتظمة. feed. feed. fed. fed. take. talk. take. talk. give. gave. give. gave. speak. spoke. speak. spoke. read. 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 meet. met. meet. met. get. got. get. got. write. wrote. write. wrote. listen and repeat. feed the birds. feed the birds. feed the birds. read a newspaper. read a newspaper. read a newspaper. take medicine. take medicine. meet a friend. meet a friend. visit a museum. visit a museum. take the underground. take the underground. give a speech. give a speech. take a math test. take a math test. bake bread. bake bread. get a haircut. get a haircut. listen and point. اسمع وأشر. May I speak to Walid please? May I speak to Walid please? Man 2. I'm sorry. He is not in right now. I'm sorry. He is not in right now. آسف هو ليس موجود الآن. Can you take a message? Can you take a message? Man 2. Sure. Who's calling? Who's calling? This is Isam. This is Isam. I'll be late for lunch today. I'll be late for lunch today. سوف أتأخر عن الغداء اليوم. I'll see him at 2 o'clock. I'll see him at 2 o'clock. What are you doing? What are you doing? ماذا تفعلي? I am writing a letter to Emily Chen. I am writing a letter to Emily Chen. أنا أكتب خطاب لإيميلي تشين. Waiter. garçon. How much water did you have? How much water did you have? كم كمية المية اللي أخدتوها؟ Man. We had 2 bottles of water. We had 2 bottles of water. أخدنا إزازتين مية. Waiter. How many pieces of apple pie did you have? How many pieces of apple pie did you have? كم عدد فطائر التفاح الذي تناولتوها؟ We had 2 pieces of apple pie. We had 2 pieces of apple pie. Language functions. Asking about what someone is doing. السؤال عما يفعله شخص. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm writing a letter to Emily Chen. I'm writing a letter to Emily Chen. Word time exercise. Number 1. Listen and circle. اسمع وضع دائرة. Number 1. What are you doing? I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter. Number 2. May I speak to Sally, please? May I speak to Sally, please? Sure. Hold on. Sure. Hold on. Number 3. How much water did you have? How much water did you have? I had 2 bottles of water. I had 2 bottles of water. Number 4. What's Mona doing? What's Mona doing? She is listening to music. She is listening to music. Number 2. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. My sister is ill. She takes medicine. Number 2. I am writing a letter to my cousin. Number 3. Hadi is going to gets getting. بعد going to يجي مصدر الفعل get a haircut. Number 4. How much, long, often, many pieces. جمع هنا يبقى how many pieces. Number 5. I'll, paying, RPS. بعد will يجي مصدر الفعل يبقى be. Number 6. Manar is going to take, visit, get, take, to visit a museum. Number 7. Ali will meet, buy, read, give a speech tomorrow. Speech تاخد فعل, give يعني يلقي كلمة. Number 8. Do, may, are, is. I speak to Walid. May I speak to Walid. Number 3. Write a paragraph of 7 sentences with about daily activities. أنشطة يومية. الأنشطة اليومية هي الحاجات اللي درسناها فوق. هنكتب I feed the birds. أطعم الطيور. I take the medicine. بأخذ الدواء. I read the newspaper. My grandfather بيعمل كذا. My father وهكذا. هنكتب الجمل بالشكل ده. وده كل ما يخص درس النهاردة. نراكم على خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.